Please tell us about yourself.
Yes, sir. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Tamineni Harish. I'm, I'm basically from Hyderabad. I've born and brought up in Hyderabad itself, which is in Telangana. And I have completed my graduation and master's in commerce from Usmania University. And I'm currently working with Union Bank of India. I have a work experience with Cognizant as well. And my hobbies are playing chess, volleyball, and doing exercise, meditations. And my goal is to develop career in Oriental Insurance Company Limited. Yes, sir.
What is the job role you are now performing?
Yes, sir. I'm currently working as single window operator as cashier in Union Bank of India. So the main job in my area is to taking care of regular cash transactions, cash receipts and payments, verifying the vouchers, I mean checks and all the uh, validity of the customer, and verifying any fraudulent, any suspicious activities happening, high transactions, and remitting the cash if it is exceeding the retention limit to the nearby currency chests, and maintaining the cash book and records, etc. And if time permits, I do other entry level work such as RTGS, NEFT transfers, opening FDs, account opening, etc. Yes, sir.
No, but you must try to emphasize on customer service. That is what is
Okay.
more important. Very good. Please tell me what is bank assurance and what is your contribution in that regard.
Yes, sir. The bank assurance is term taken from the French word, which is bank plus insurance, where it is an arrangement between the bank and the insurance company, where the bank sells the product of insurance companies so that it can develop the insurance penetration in India. Uh, Whereas coming to my contribution, I understand the customer needs as per the needs of customer. I select the right product so that the customer will be affordable to pay that cost, and also it will be acting as a risk mitigation tool for him in case of necessary. So that is where I come up, sir. Yes.
Why do you want to come out to insurance? Can't you get promotion in your bank itself?
Yes, sir. Actually, I have tried for promotion, but unfortunately, I didn't made it to the final list. So I noticed that there is a regular recruitment in insurance sector. So I want to give these exams, and I want to get to the higher position this year. Yes, sir. I want to see myself in the higher position. So it is okay for me to getting this position in insurance or in bank. Yes, sir. And also, I have a keen interest in insurance sector. That's why, and also this job is mostly relevant to my study background, which is account. So it pushed me further, and that's why I have kept extra efforts even though working.
What do you
Yes, sir.
know? What do you know about Oriental insurance?
Yes, sir. Oriental Insurance Company Limited is one of the general insurance company which is fully owned by Government of India, established in the year 1947. It used to be one of the subsidiaries of Oriental Life Securities India Limited, which was the first life insurance company which was established in 1818, and in 1953 it used to be one of the subsidiaries of Life Insurance Corporation till 1973, where the insurance business has got nationalized. In 2003 it got demerged from General Insurance Corporation of India and became the wholly owned subsidiary of now it is fully owned by Government of India. The tagline is Prithvi Akash Jal Agni Sabka Suraksha Hamara Bas. The current chairman and managing director of OICL is Sri Devashish Panda, and we are currently operating with a net profit of 18 crores. Yes, sir.
I asked about Oriental insurance. Why are you telling about Debasish Panda?
Okay, I'm sorry. The current chairman and
And
managing director.
and another point is you are spending too much time on history. This much history is not required. Well, Oriental is one of the subsidiaries of GIC. The capital is fully owned by Government of India. Its MD and CEO or chairman is so and so, headquarters and so and so. It has issued so many policies. Its claim recognition ratio is this much. Like that, everything that you speak should be relevant to current situation.
Okay, okay, sir. Got it, sir.
Yeah. So you told what is the name of chairman?
Shri Rashmi Raman Singh, sir. Actually, I told the IRDS chairman.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Can you tell me the products of our company?
Yes, sir. As a general insurance business insurer, we provide different types of products in different segments like health, motor vehicle, and fire insurance, liability insurance, and agriculture insurance. Few of the products in health is Oriental Happy Family Floater, Oriental Cash Nischint Rahe, comprehensive policy, and in motor insurance, two-wheeler, four-wheeler policy is there. Uh,
Can
Standalone
you,
compulsory
can,
personal accident is there.
can you tell me what is comprehensive insurance policy in case of motor vehicles?
Yes, sir. Actually, whenever the damage occurred due to the third party and due to any theft or any mishappenings like fire accident, it will be covered under this policy, sir. This is what we call the comprehensive insurance policy, sir.
Good. Now, which policies have you taken?
Yes, sir. I have taken life insurance policy for my life and motor insurance policy from Life Insurance Corporation, sir. Endowment policy, it is whole life policy. And for my two-wheeler policy, I have taken two-wheeler from
Wh-
ICICI. Yes, sir.
Why did you go to ICACI and not come to Oriental?
Actually, I have taken long before, sir. That is automatically getting renewed so that I can get some this non-claim benefit bonus. So I have kept it like that only, sir. I haven't given any
Mm,
thought about that. Yes, sir.
okay. Are you willing to be relocated to other parts of India?
Yes, sir. I'm good. I'm good to work anywhere in India, sir.
Are you married?
I'm currently unmarried, sir.
Acha. Okay. What is your father?
My father is a construction worker. He is like a gig worker. Sometimes he goes for work and sometimes not. Yes,
Acha.
sir.
Can you tell me the principles of insurance?
Yes, sir. The main principles of insurance is the principle of utmost good faith, the principle of indemnity, the principle of subrogation, the principle of contribution, the principle of loss mitigation, the principle of insurable interest, the principle of uh, causi proxima, that is the nearest cause. Yes, sir. These are the seven principles on which the insurance industry runs.
What is a balance sheet?
Yes, sir. The balance sheet is a statement prepared as per the Companies Act. It is one of the compulsory financial statement has to be prepared under the Section 240 of Companies Act. It provides us the basic financial position of the company. It shows us the assets and liabilities held by the company, whether the company is healthy or not. In liability side, the basic equation of balance sheet is assets is equal to liabilities plus share capital. Where in asset
What
side we
is
can see
what is
this
depreciation?
depreciation, uh, we can say due to the loss, due to the wear and tear of an asset and any fixed asset, the value of asset get deducted in the life of its happening. So we remove some expenses, named depreciation yearly basis, on after deducting the residual value over the period of time. We can say its usage. There are two methods to calculate depreciation, which is straight line method and written down value method as per accounting standard 6 depreciation. Yes, sir.
I think your definition is not correct.
Due to
Yeah,
wear and tear, we deduct the value, sir.
yeah. Every year, due to wear and tear, the cost of the asset is being reduced in two methods. One is straight line, the other is reducing
Indemnity.
value.
Yes, sir.
Good.
That is it.
So that is okay, sufficient. Now, please
Okay,
tell
sir.
me what is break-even point.
Yes, sir. Break-even point become is a point where the sales meet the cost of the company. This is the point. If we able to sell above this break-even point, that means we are able to making process. If we sell below this break-even, that means the company is making losses. So the company has to take care everything so that they can sell the products above this break-even point. Yes, sir.
Mm. Not the price of the product. The sales made above
Sale.
some particular point is known as break-even point, from where the profit will be made. Please go
Mm.
through the definition. The
Okay, okay, sir.
break-even point is the level of production at which costs of production equal the revenues for a product. We give this example keeping in mind the production angle. So where
Mm.
it is being produced, this is the definition. Are you seeing on the screen? No.
Answer, answer.
You are seeing.
Answer.
Oh. So this definition you please go through. I am
Okay,
giving this link in our Oriental group.
okay, sir.
Good. So what is the latest news that comes to your mind now?
Yes, sir. India's mourning the death of our former Prime Minister, we can say 15th Prime Minister, Shri Manmohan Singh, sir, who is
Mhm.
a finance minister at the time of financial reforms took place in 1991. We can say we have lost a very prominent person in our Indian history, sir. Yes,
Was he 15th or 14th?
he is 15th Prime Minister, sir, and 13th Governor of RBI, sir, Reserve Bank of India.
Mhm. You are
13th
wrong.
Prime.
You are
Okay,
wrong.
okay.
Manmohan
Okay.
Singh served as the 13th Prime
13th
Minister of
Prime.
India.
15th Governor of RBI. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is a mistake.
Okay,
Yeah,
confused.
that is okay. Please tell me about Manmohan Singh.
Yes, sir. He hailed from a very middle class family and has reached to the heights of in education system and has brought the several reforms in 1991. Has become the governor of RBI and has also become the finance minister in India under the leadership of Prime Minister PV Narasimham.
This is not the way introduction has to be done. Introduction,
Uh,
you have to tell. In this case, Manmohan Singh was born in erstwhile Pakistan in this place in the year 19 also. Then he studied in Cambridge University, Oxford University, and all. Then he served in Reserve Bank as governor. Then he was taken in as prime minister, sorry, finance minister during um, our
Financial.
Narasimha Rao's period. Then during that time only the liberalization was taking place and liberalized remittance payment system was introduced. Then globalization started taking place. The GDP of our country also started improving. He became prime minister in the year 2004 and he was there till 2014. During his time, many new government schemes were brought in. Like that, you should be able to tell about that. Your
Mhm.
your your narrating is okay, but can be slightly more point oriented to satisfy the listener. Next,
Yes, sir.
next question. Please tell me what is contingent liabilities.
Yes, sir. Contingent liabilities are those liabilities which arise due to any uncertainty events such as claims pending in the court of law or any guarantees given by the company. If arises, we should be in a position to meet them. These contingent liabilities we record in the footnotes of the balance sheet, sir. Yes.
Good. What
Okay,
are
sir.
reserves?
Yes, sir. Reserves are a part of profits allocated for the future development of a company. There are many reserves such as uh, capital redemption reserve, premium security premium reserves, and other reserves such as debenture redemption reserves. We use these to buy any future assets to issue bonus shares for the development of the organization in future. Yes, sir.
What is underwriting?
Underwriting is a process of evaluating the risk of a particular particular thing, and in the process we decide whether to accept the risk or not. Uh, we decide the premium amount to be collected and the terms and conditions regarding the product. uh, dif- di- by analyzing the risk,
What is
we
what
yes, sir.
is PM Fasal Bima Yojana?
Yes, sir. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana has uh, started in the year 2018 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, uh, so that in the wake of one premium, one policy, one insurance policy for one crop in for all the nation. So it provides the insurance cover to the crop loans taken by the farmers. The rates of insurance premium here is for Kharif it is 1.5, for Rabi it is 2%, and for horticulture crops it is 5% of the crop. Every farmer who took the crop loan and Kisan credit card has to compulsory take this Fasal Bima Yojana, and for other farmers it is voluntary basis. It provides the coverage for any catastrophe events, any loss due to
What
pests.
is what is grace period?
Yes, sir. Grace period is the period which is given by the insurer to the insured if he miss the due date of the policy payment. Normally, it starts from the date of due date of the payment. Additional time given for the payment of normally it is up to 30 days from the date of
What
due. Yes,
what is the recent news about IRDA?
yes, sir. IRDI uh, has
What is
suggested.
whatever latest circulars, latest information about that you should go through and tell. Okay,
Okay,
and
sir.
be ready for question on what is the latest in Oriental insurance. Please get to know that also. Otherwise, you did very well. Best wishes. But only thing is current things you are not familiar. You must be
Mhm.
familiar with IRDA at present what they are asking, RBI what they are telling, SEBI what is it they are telling, stock market what is happening. Like that current happenings you must be ready to answer.
Sir.
And also about Union Bank current happenings. Any who is the MD and CEO and or any new scheme brought by UBI, these things you must remember. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes. God bless you. I wish you success.